बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। हैदराबाद में यहाँ पर जो ग्रेजुएट और पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट बच्चों के लिए गुड न्यूज़ है। ओल्ड हैदराबाद के बच्चों के लिए सिविल सर्विस एकेडमिक की जानिब से और गैलेक्सी ग्रुप ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूशंस की जानिब से आईएएस, आईपीएस, आईएफएस ट्रेनिंग दी जा रही है। और तमाम यंगेस्ट जो बच्चे हैं और जो ग्रेजुएट कंप्लीट करे हैं ये एकेडमिक ईयर में और पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशंस कंप्लीट किए हैं, तो उन लोग फौरी आके रुजू कीजिए, ताकि आप लोगों को ये जो ट्रेनिंग दी जा रही है, फ्री ट्रेनिंग दी जा रही है, कोई 1 रुपीस आपको चार्ज नहीं लिया जा रहा है। शहर हैदराबाद के यंगेस्ट जो यूथ है वो उन लोगों के लिए गुड न्यूज़ है। मैं यहाँ पर जनाब बशीर जनरल मैनेजर साहब हैं और सिविल सर्विस एकेडमिक के, और मैं आपसे सर इस सिविल सर्विस एकेडमिक का इंट्रोड्यूस करिए और आप अपना इंट्रोड्यूस करिए। ये प्रोग्राम कब से स्टार्ट करना चाह रहे हैं और ये कब लॉन्च होगा और बच्चों के लिए क्या पैगाम है, क्या संदेश है, उसके बारे में थोड़ा डिटेल बोलिए सर।
Okay, thank you, sir. Hassan Saab is the main personality behind the Galaxy group of colleges, and I am thankful to him. He invited me in his campus to tell something about our academy, that is Civil Services Academy, which we are going to start at Hyderabad, inshallah. Actually, the thought of starting Civil Service Academy has come to Mr. Saeed Uddin. He is from Jeddah, and along with him, other gentlemen, particularly Muslim community, who settle in different countries, they thought, because when they understood that the percentage of Muslim youth is very less, once they complete their intermediate, whether they go for engineering or they go for medicine, otherwise they go for some degree and other diploma courses. So, according to Sachar committee report, the high drop is Muslims, and the lowest enrollment ratio is from Muslim community. And surprisingly, 43% people, they never seen school campus. If 515 people are completing their PhDs, you can find only one Muslim among them. And actually, so when they thought these are the things particularly, and when you come to civil service examinations, the percentage is almost 3%, whereas the percentage of Muslim community in this country is 15%. So they thought that some problem is there. What is the reason? What is the reason behind this? Why our youth is not showing interest towards civil service examinations?
Yeah.
Whose mistake is this? Is the mistake of parents, or is the mistake of the teachers, or is the mistake of the students themselves? They understood that there is a lack of awareness.
There is not proper counseling also.
No counseling.
Yeah.
No one is there.
Yeah.
See, why you are looking only into MPC, then engineering, BPC into medicine, medicine. This is another door is also there which is closed for you. No one was there to open it and show. If you have become a doctor, I don't know how much you earn. If you are getting free seat also, for that also you have to spend lakhs of rupees. Otherwise, you are going through management, 80 lakhs to 1 crore, something like that. What you earn, But when you become IAS officer, your minimum salary will be 2.5 lakhs per month. If you will become IFS officer, your salary will be 7 lakhs rupees per month, and you will become example to other youth. Wow, somebody's son has become collector, somebody's son has become IPS officer. You'll get lot of respect in your own family, in your own khandan and the community where you live. So they thought, let us start civil service.
Joining how many percentage in graduation?
Anything join. Any person who completed his graduation can join, appear for the civil service examinations. So actually the civil service examination is like a blood in a human being. If blood is not there, you cannot function. It is like that power, electricity, no device, even the TV channel which we are speaking never works. So it is the power, means they will make the policies. They will make the policies, they'll implement the policies, leaders will come, leaders may go. No prime minister will rule the country for longest time. No prime minister, no central minister, no minister. Only the powerful media, I mean the what we'll say the bureaucracy, the people those who make the policies, they are very important. So when they are making policies, our people they are not showing interest. They are not standing there to cross if something is going wrong. When they are implementing, the thousands, lakhs of Muslims are coming on the roads, and the media will say something wrong. See how they are coming. They are spoiling the beauty of our democracy or India unity. They are spoiling something like that. So, if our people are there, when they are constructing some policies, if something is going wrong, they'll raise their voice. Sir, what are you doing? This is against constitution. Yeah. So the percent is less. So these gentlemen they thought that let us start. Even from schools, we have three type policy.
School level, inter
School
level.
level and the students, those who joined in degree first year, and most importantly, the people, those who completed final year students, outgoing students, those who can join immediately to the civil service examination, which is coming in the month of June 2021. So this is just awareness program, as you said in introduction. We are not charging anything, and we don't have any aim to start any IAS, IPS academy here. We'll go school, colleges, wherever we find some students. Well, just will go see. You may be not having knowledge of what is civil services. This is the thing, and many organizations are there which are providing free of cost. They are providing lodging, boarding, education, everything is free, but they don't have that knowledge. So, keeping all these things, we started our Civil Service Academy, that is CSA at Hyderabad, and we may spread in other districts, Telangana, and if possible, throughout other states also. This is the thing.
What is the facilities, sir?
Facilities means we don't have any campus type thing or college or something like that.
Only for classes will be.
No, no classes, nothing. Just we'll counsel them. We'll show the way. We show the way. See, some Galaxy college, they are giving some coaching for IAS, IPS officers. I'll speak to Mr. Hossam, he's a friend of mine. Then he'll help you. Go to the Galaxy college. Like this, we guide. Is no, sir, I'm very poor, but I want to become collector. Okay, good. You can become collector. Don't say that we are Muslims, they may do something, nothing doing, because you have to face three this thing, yeah, phases. That is, one is prelims, mains, and interview. When you write first and second page, you write your roll number. Who will recognize whether you are Muslim, Christian, what is your religion. It is wrong thing. The main thing is you should show your dedication. The willpower should be strong. Why not I? One person whose name is Safin Hussain, he has become IPS officer. First attempt. And his father is auto driver. Auto driver, IAS become, he has become IAS officer means almost he is the king of that particular district. People will salute him. The other case is he has become that person that Safin Hussain has become IPS. The other person whose father was electrician, mother was making rotis in marriages. That boy has become IAS, IFS officer. Sorry, IAS officer. So these are the things we should not think. I am belonging to poor. If you want to medical, you have to pay some lakhs of rupees. For this only rank,
Yeah.
for that you have to show your motivation, your dedication, your aim should be strong.
Compulsory.
Don't blame others. It is we are living in democracy country.
Yeah.
No one is stopping, but you don't know how to reach there. Something is wrong with you. So I mean the committee of Civil Service Academy, particularly the director, Mr. Saiduddin, who lives in Jeddah, he thought, and the other people, those who settle in different countries, they thought that we know this, we know this, we understood now. So, knowingly, if we are not giving this knowledge to our young generation, we will become the sinners. We were not knowing, it's okay. Now we know this. 3%. Actually, sir, if 1000 IAs are coming according to our percentage, 140 to 150 should become IAS officers. But they are not appearing. They are appearing how much? People are appearing only 25 to 35 students are appearing. Why? Because it is more than 5%. They are not appearing at all
Yeah.
because they don't know how to appear.
Appear.
Civil service exam, see, my daughter, she completed BTech MBA. When I was talking about all these things, she surprised and she asked me, "Hey, Daddy, what is this? Even I don't know." Because till 10th they'll go to this thing, where school campus. Then they will go to any other junior college, residential college. 2 years complete. 4 years engineering, finish. Life is over. They'll become doctors or engineers, something like that. But this is the golden opportunity on behalf of Civil Service Academy and Galaxy Institute. I am requesting all the youth, particularly Muslim youth, those who completed the graduation, kindly visit UPSC site and apply for the UPSC examination, which is going in the month of June 2021. You can become a collector. You can become a IPS officer. Others will get inspiration from you. In 2017, 10 lakhs people appeared. But recently I'm talking. 10 lakhs 10 lakhs people appeared and selected 1000. Out of 10 lakhs, only 5000 students they appeared for the examination, that is less than 5%. In 74 years, in Hyderabad, I am talking about. In 74 years, we were not able to produce even seven IPS officers. Minimum 7 IPS, maximum 7 IPS officers, we could not produce.
What is it?
Reason awareness.
Awareness.
Children, they don't have knowledge about this.
Yeah.
So, on behalf of Hyderabad people, we should thankful to the committee people, particularly those who thought that being we are from Hyderabad, so we settled somewhere in other countries. Alhamdulillah, doing well. So let us do something for our youth. So they thought and they started this academy, Civil Services Academy.
So joining what date will be done, sir?
Sir, it is February already, everything is online.
Online. Okay.
Yeah, February started, March they have to wind up, and June examination will be there. For each and everything, we'll guide them, we'll show the way. How many organizations are there in India? In Hyderabad, how many organizations are there? What is the fee structure? What is the syllabus? Everything, till they reach their goal. First, we are focusing on final year students. Then we will go for the students who join in first year, degree I am talking about. Once we finish it, then we will go to school also. So that they can start from, some beginning, maybe after 7th class, 8th class. Then being, okay, this is IAS officer, means he will be living in luxurious life. When you become IFS officer, you will become a foreign, you work as ambassador. Ambassador means you represent India there, you are like president there in other countries. Just imagine what a beautiful life you are going. What you do? Yes, sir. Mostly we complete our graduation, engineering. Our students, all the youth, Muslim youth, they'll go to Dubai.
Yeah.
They go to Muscat, Bahrain, Kuwait, falana, falana. They go. How much they work, how much they are losing. They cannot stay with family. They cannot stay with family, away from family. If they are married, away from wife, children, what is the salary they get? Almost equal to Indian salary only. And everywhere it is, some Omanization is going on, Saudi Asian are there. They are giving preference to their own people. They are kicking him out. Even they are working for small salaries, they are losing their age, which is not going to come back. This is golden opportunity. Youth, open your mouth. Just I want to say, aware, awake, arise and rule.
Very good.
This is our, it should be our motto. Aware, awake, arise and rule. No one will stop. If you are there, if something is going wrong, you can raise your voice. Say that, stop this, what you are doing. One person is there, he may not open his mouth properly. If 2, 3 are there, they can say it's wrong. They can change the rules beginning itself. No need to come on the roads. So this is golden opportunity. I am grateful to you, sir. But you are the first person who were ready to, coordinate, and as well as you offered your campus also in future, so that we can conduct the counseling programs, particularly in old city.
Okay.
I am happy that we are becoming part of your organization, Civil Service Academy, CSA. We have our office at Paiga Plaza, Bashir Bagh, and wherever, whenever you are maybe girl, you may be boy, you may be in high school, college, your medical college, engineering college, pharmacy college, MBA college, what it may be, just give us call. We are there with you. We will be with you till you make your dreams come true. We are with you. Remember, CSA. Once again, I want to repeat and close my talk. Aware, awake, arise and rule.
Thank you very much, sir. You are joining for 99 TV channel. And Bashir sir, again, I am very, very thankful to you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It's my pleasure, sir.